Welcome back. On today's Rise and Dine, get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth with a dessert that looks gourmet but is totally doable at home. Whether you are hosting friends or just want to treat yourself, this one is sure to impress. Here with us this morning is Helms College's chef, Lisa Fernandez.
Hi,
how's it going?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. So talk to me about what we're making. We are making truffles.
Yes,
right?
we are. We're making white chocolate raspberry truffles, and this is something my third quarter students are working on actually this week, and we're going to be tested on it soon. And this is a very, very easy way to make truffle centers. We're going to start with a ganache. Ooh. A ganache is an emulsion between a fat and a liquid, but this one is going to be just melted chocolate. Because it's usually heavy cream that we use for ganache, but we're going to just mix it in with some butter. This is room temp butter. It's important that everything is room temp for this. It'll just set up better for you.
Yum.
Yes.
Everything is better with butter.
I believe so. Yes.
Julia and Julia.
Mm-hmm. So we're just going to stir this up. And as for the flavoring, we're using raspberry jam, but you could really use any of your favorite jams for this.
Okay.
Yes.
Any other kind of fillings that you could do, or just kind of jam only?
For this particular recipe, jam only.
Got it.
Yes,
cool. But this is something that your students are learning how to do at Helms College right now.
It is. It is. So they're in third quarter. They've just finished their wedding cakes, which was very exciting and fun for everybody.
Wedding
and yes, that's probably people's favorite class that we do there. And we also just finished artisan breads. Ooh, that was very good. That was very good. Yeah, so this is one of our last production classes, and we're going to end this particular course with sugar showpieces and other candies as well.
Ooh, look at that color. It's
yes.
A nice looking swirl.
Mm-hmm. And you could actually add more jam if you want a stronger flavor. Mm-hmm. But this one's subtle, but I think it's pretty effective.
Very nice. So I just realized that you've got two different sets of white chocolate up here.
Yes.
One that you already melted on the steaming water, and now the one that's going into the center with the jam. Got it. Okay.
Yes, the second one that I've already melted is what we're going to coat the truffles with once they set up.
Okay. So the temperature, does that matter at all?
Yes, for chocolate, and this is couverture chocolate, which is different than the chocolate that you'll find mostly in the grocery stores because it's got a higher percentage of cocoa butter in it.
Gotcha.
The other chocolates don't. If they do have cocoa butter in it, it's lower, and they basically use vegetable oil as its fat.
Right.
So the mouthfeel is kind of waxy, right?
It doesn't quite taste like chocolate.
Right, and this one has a good kind of melty mouthfeel. It's a lot more elegant, and the origin of where the cocoa comes from is also better.
Wow. So I didn't know cocoa was actually in white chocolate. Is that commonly known?
No, there's no cocoa in white chocolate, actually. This is, it's cocoa butter and milk solids and lecithin and some flavoring.
Got it. Okay, very nice. So what are we doing?
We're going to pipe them out in as even little balls as possible, if you want to try that. What I usually do to try to get them even is kind of make a boop.
Okay, I'll take a shot. Let's go for it. If it's not perfect. Oh, well, it already starts coming out.
Yeah, there you go.
Oops.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Like a swirl.
Yes, a little soft serve is nice.
Okay, mine doesn't look quite as nice as yours.
Okay, no, and you know what? They're very forgiving. You could always fix them later.
Okay.
Yes, so I've pre-rolled some. They do need a little bit of perfecting.
Oh, okay.
So the heat of your hand is just going to make them smoother and nicer that way.
And this is once they get a little bit cooled off?
And that will take about an hour for the cocoa crystals and sugar crystals to get together.
Nice.
Yes.
And let's take a look at these. These are the final product, right?
Just about. So this is the.
Oh, we're not done yet.
Oh,
we're not done
quite,
yet.
Not quite, but almost. So this is the first coating.
Okay.
And what we're going to do now is just put a little bit of our melted white chocolate in our hands, just like this, and we're just going to put the second coat.
Wait,
and that should be it.
I'm not good at following directions. Okay.
There you go.
Oh wow. Okay.
And then we just roll it, and that's how you get a nice fine.
Wow.
A nice fine, even coating on it.
So this. Okay. So we're not
Yes.
actually making them now. Those are done, but you don't have to do this again, right?
No.
Okay, got it.
A second coat, I think, is plenty. If it's too thick, then it's too more difficult to eat and a little bit messier.
Well,
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
my hands are super messy, so
Yes.
that's really fun. But thank you so much, Chef, for
Thank
being
you.
here. This has been so much fun. If you would like to find this recipe, just head on over to our website, wrdw.com/morningmix, and you can learn more about Helms College and all that they have to offer
Yes.
on helms.edu. We'll be right back.